Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this video. Currently I am in Vernon, New Jersey, and we are going to do the Stairway to Heaven trail. So certainly this is one of the nicest trails you could do here in New Jersey, and we are going to check that out. So like always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's go check it out. By the way, I'm here with my boy Roro. And this is my guy, man. He loves to go on hikes, so I had to bring him with me. I want to check this out. All right, guys, we have now reached the Stairway to Heaven. That was it. Just kidding, just kidding. Let's go. Literally 2 minutes into the trail, and look how beautiful this place is. It's absolutely amazing, gorgeous. So let's see what else we see. Alright, so this place has different phases. Now we got this forest here. Beautiful. Okay, so we finally reach a point where we're going to have to climb up these rocks. Pretty easy. Some people are actually climbing up those big boulders over there, if you can see them. But we're going to go this way. I mean, I'm not trying to be too intense today. I know I have done some more intense things in other videos, but this one I'm just trying to enjoy the nature. So let's go. It's not that easy. Look at that. Alright guys, we're about a third up. Nice view. Still got a lot more to go though. So let's do it. Alright, so we've been walking for how long? I'll say about 30-40 minutes already. And we're exhausted, but check it out. We have to walk all that. Should we turn back? No way, no way. Off trail without the Jeep. Did it walking. Went through all of this. We're supposed to. Here's the trail right here. There's the stairs. So it is what it is. Let's move on, folks. Seeing the Okay, after all that climbing. Oh wait. I just realized that the sign is not pointing us towards the view. It's telling us to go to the trail. Okay, so it was certainly worth the climb. Beautiful views, and I'm exhausted, but honestly I could stay here all day. It's beautiful. See, this is a perfect place to chill, have a great day, have a good drink of water. Alright dude, so what do you think, man? What are you thinking about right
now? Protecting myself from the pollen. It's a beautiful trail, amazing. We got lost a little bit. we went off trail, but we made it. That's the point. No matter how off you go, as long as you get to your
destiny.
That's
right.
We got it.
That's right. All right, so we just came down from that stream trail. I was being a bad person. When I was coming down, I was telling Roro, hey listen, bring me to more challenging trails. This is too easy, but you know, obviously people that are coming up, they're struggling, so. Outside those motorcycles pass, but yeah, they're probably pretty pissed off at me for saying that. But when you come out of the trail, you can actually go in here and you'll be able, that was too far up. You'll be able to see these cows, and you know, you'll be able to have like a barnyard experience. Really nice stuff. So if you want to check any more videos, any more trails, I do them here in New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, in the Caribbean, and all over the world. Honestly, we're going to see some international things coming up soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and like, share. Thank you guys.